October 11th, stock playbook. This is Dave Dispinet with a little sample of what we had. We thought yesterday's volume was light. Today we were actually lighter on both the S&P and the Dow. Dow was down 16 points, 1/10%. The S&P was up less than a point, less than 1/10%. The Nasdaq though was up almost 17 points, 0.7%, and it was on an increase. Granted, it wasn't a huge increase, still very light day, but it was on an increase in volume. So investors, business daily followers out there will see the market, in a confirmed uptrend tomorrow. But I disagree with it. I think we're going lower. I think Europe is just a headline away from imploding. Everybody's talking about Slovakia. I don't even care about Slovakia. It's a joke, so I'm not even going to lend any credence to it. But basically, they're playing politics. They voted down. They were the 17th, the last Euro nation that had to vote it through. 16 voted for, trying to figure it out, and the Slovakia saying, why should we bother? But I think we go lower. So with that being said, the play, in my opinion, still SPXU or the S&P E-minis. You guys should know the game plan. We've shared it with you, for the last couple of weeks. We said we're going to get a rally. We got it. You buy it at 17, you load up, and at 16.5, a close below 16.5, you're out. You're risking 50 cents to the downside to potentially make $5 to the upside. You got a 10-to-1 reward to risk ratio. You got to love a setup like that, SPXU. If you're looking at individual stocks to short, LinkedIn has not participated in this recent rally and looks like it might be ready to roll over, and test that $60 range. LinkedIn is a name. Tesla at the top of its range. This company isn't going to ever make any money without, government subsidies. I think Tesla Motors goes lower. You short it here, put a real tight stop at, 28.5, 29, but Tesla, I think goes lower. If you're looking for something to get long, I'd suggest signing up for a free trial of the stock playbook. We discussed many ideas tonight, but one, a little tease. Everybody's talking about the march on Wall Street, the Occupy Wall Street. Now they're marching up Fifth Avenue to bankers' houses, the $1 billion, homes of billionaires. There's social unrest. It's ugly. They're complaining about the debit card fees of $5. Green Dot. They offer general-purpose, reloadable prepaid debit cards to consumers at 55,000 locations throughout the U.S., Walmart being one of them. Good, solid, upside volume 3 of the last 4 days. Green Dot is a stock that we've talked about often. We really like. This is more an investment, not a trade. But longer term, Green Dot's a stock that I think has significant upside from these levels. I'd like to see you own it closer to the $30 level, but GDOT is definitely a name that needs to be on your radar. We've talked about it in the past, and I wanted to mention it again. Have a good night, and I will talk with you tomorrow. Just to give you an idea, we talked here for about 2.5 minutes, maybe 3. I got about 25 minutes of content on our main site. Sign up, take a free trial. I think you'll like it.